The late veteran Victor Matemadanda panguva inoi arwadza veruzhinji, especially mawo veterans namachange makers. Achionekwa kunzi Victor Matemadanda akanga asingahesitati to speak the truth. He told you the real truth. Kutanga panguva yaRobert Gabriel Mugabe achizoremovwa through a military coup. Panguva inoi Victor Matemadanda zvekare onekwa kunzi was a main threat. Zvatoda veruzhinji varwadziwe awane kutsatika kwake ndopa subscribe or like on the bell icon. What truth mudanyira chiti lost their list. Matemadanda died with a heavy heart, claims journalist. Prominent journalist Blessed Mhlanga is claimed that the late Victor Matemadanda remained deeply affected by the events surrounding the 2017 political transition. According to Mhlanga, Matemadanda was a close friend of Blessed Geza, and he had put his head on the block as tensions with former President Robert Mugabe escalated. Mhlanga said that after the military-assisted transition, Matemadanda felt disappointed and believed he had been let down. However, he reportedly remained steadfastly loyal to President Emmerson Mnangagwa and chose not to publicly voice what he privately viewed as a betrayal. The claims reflect Mhlanga's account of Matemadanda's personal feelings, and they have not been independently verified. Victor Matemadanda is remembered by many for his long political career. May his soul rest in peace. No mashukwaru kuda panguva ine kuchinokwanzi Blessed Mhlanga journalist oyawo achikominda upanawo inokwanzi very tragic chitiko awa chinosvisa chionekwa kunzi Matemadanda he knew the truth and he spoke the truth. Panguva ine kuonekwa kunzi kunyakwa akazopoisoniwa kwachanzi kuonekwa kunzi he is a main threat pane maplanzi zvikananda. Pina comment section medu dzakubuda imi muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chitondobeuwekwa.